Today I'm going to share with you the stay experience at the Novotel in beside the Taipei airport. So that tomorrow I'm going to have an 8 a.m. morning flight. So I might not able to show you the breakfast, but I will show you the facility as much as I can for this day. Lovely that I got an upgrade to the executive floor for just 2 single beds. So we're going to stay with my sister, and my sister is right over there. So over here we will go to somewhere, a park called X Park, which is quite a nice place. They do have the executive club lounge, so I'm going to show you the lounge at level 9 later. Just got into the room, and then the room is quite nice. I will show you the best part is the view. So at the entrance, you get the wardrobe right over here, and then it has a very nice bathroom with a bathtub. I love it very much. Then toilet bowl, smell good right over here. And then I'm quite happy to see that they are using the environment friendly bottle right over there, which you can pump more that you need. We have a lot of things right over here, big shopping in Taiwan. So there's another closet, which is the extra pillow. Oh, hang on, I think that one cannot be opened. Okay, extra pillow, steam iron, safe, the what they call bedroom slipper. Then here's the mini bar. It's very interesting that they have 2 different bottles of drinking water, Nespresso machine, tea, oolong tea, red tea, and instant coffee. Very cute 3 drinks. Okay, here is 2 single bed for me and my sister, and ta-da, the airport runway. It's a very cool thing for me. Too bad. Maybe it's good thing. If I don't get to have the plane like depart from there, so it will not be that noisy, I guess. But over here can catch a very nice view of the all the plane. They do have a very cute panda over here. Then the bedside with a power plug and 1 USB port. Then over there is 2 USB port over there. And the working desk over here. I am not sure is this all you need. Oh wow, this is cool. Wow. These are the shower. So this is for me. Oh. This one is for used to wash your private part, and for men, and that is for a lady to wash the private part. I think it's a very smart way to have a free sample like this. So at the working desk there are HDMI port, USB port, and all the port that you need. Okay, I'm a little bit not feeling well, so I will go to have a rest. Oh, Taiwan Tiger Air. So yeah, I will show you the lounge and the evening cocktail, the swimming pool, and the gym. After we went to the X Park and then we come back to the hotel, we saw some cookies, some pastry, 2 sparkling water, and a bottles of the hand wash and the private part wash for me. I'm not sure whether I said that before, that this is a lady private part wash and this is the guy private part wash. It's a very cool gesture from the hotel. Here is a club lounge in the hotel, and then you can get this small light bite cookies. Then happy hour, you can get the alcohol like vodka, gin, whiskey, Bailey, 3 different types of beer, and white wine. Then you also can get the soft drink, juices, and a very simple item for the evening happy hour. The hot food, they will not display as a buffet. They will pass it to you like this. I'm sure if you need to ask more for the more portion, you can ask them to give you more later. There is a kids club in this hotel. It looks quite cool though. I think the kids will have a good time over here. And let's go to the gym. Here is the gym. This one look like a spider web. It's a stretch machine. It has all the weight machine that I need for my cardio, and then the running machine, treadmill, all these things. So the machine here looks a little bit old, but good enough for me to do some exercise. They do have a swimming pool, but I'm not sure whether it's open or closed. Let's see. Further down, there's a table tennis, a bicycle, and then oh, there's more bicycle here. I believe the swimming pool and the changing room should be right behind. Oh, so that's the swimming pool. Let me see if I can sneak in to take a look and show you the swimming pool. They have the dry machines. Ah, okay, it's already closed. So there's an indoor swimming pool. It's not too bad. I saw someone just came out from the swimming pool, but I'm not sure what time they close. But yep, there's a changing room. The sleep quality is not bad. I have a good sleep. My sister was thinking that's a little bit too hot, and then she feel that a little bit too cold, and then like she did not sleep well. Anyway, it's just about 4 hours sleep because our flight is 8 a.m. We have to leave the airport, leave the hotel by 5:30 with the free shuttles. I quite like it. They have a 24 hours shuttle service. The bed is very comfortable. It's a bouncy bed, but water pressure is good. The shampoo is good. It smells very nice. Only one thing that I don't like is that the soundproof is not really that good. The plane will stop, land or excuse me, land or take off around 12:30 midnight, and 4 a.m. sharp the plane start to fly out again. So if you are going to have a late flight, you need a good sleep, I would recommend you to get the room facing the other side instead of the facing the runway, because that to them, to the hotel, they think that facing the runway is a executive room. Then very sad that I cannot show you the breakfast. I remember long times ago I've been here for a funeral. I had the breakfast here. It was like quite not bad breakfast. Yeah, with that, I hope you like this video and this video helpful for you. Sorry that I'm not feeling so well, so I can't really make a full video like previously, but I'm sure this is good enough for you to make the decision. And oh, I bought a bottles of beer at the bar. It only cost me 200 Taiwan dollar, which is quite a reasonable price to me. Forgot to share with you that actually that you can request for the takeaway box for breakfast if you're unable to get the breakfast. This hotel is called the China Airline Hotel, and it has quite a lot of the plane model in the lobby. I find it quite cute. It's if those aviation geeks will love it. And oh, it also have other airlines model over here, even AirAsia, Firefly. That's a cute one. Yeah, so if those aviation geek, you can spend some time over here to find out which plane is which airline. And there's also a free coffee station right over there. You can enjoy the coffee over there. Also a very big 747 China Airline plane over here. I'm going to get my coffee. The free shuttle bus is at 5:30 in the morning. So let me get a coffee first. Okay, so this is how the shuttle bus looks like. You get all your luggages put at the back, but I have to let them know your terminal, departure terminal.